Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best stuffed French toast with Fruity Pebbles, y'all. And I saw this on Food Fantasies and it is just that so rich and decadent, y'all. And this is not one of them dishes if you're trying to have a hot girl summer, y'all. This is rich and it will be found under my breakfast playlist. Make sure you check it out. But let's go. So I'm starting with some brioche that I toasted for an hour at 200 and then let sit out to dry out for 2 days. Of course, Fruity Pebbles, but you can use any type of cereal that you want, but we're doing Fruity Pebbles today. And then I have a cup of milk with cereal just to flavor up the milk for our custard, brown sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Butter, and then I have some strawberry glaze. You can use fresh strawberries, but they're out of season, so. And then I have 1 pat of cream cheese that I've softened in the microwave, 2 rounds of 15 seconds. And then I also have some powdered sugar that I'm going to use for the filling, as well as some salt just to balance it out, and heavy cream for that decadent custard, y'all. Oh, last but not least, my clear vanilla, my favorite. I'll put that in the description. So I am just going to slice up the bread, and again I let this sit out for 2 days uncovered. And with brioche, you guys know it's super rich, so it's still soft. Do not be worried about it being a crouton basically. So I am going to mix my filling up. I did not put a lot of sugar because this is going to be sweet with all the other ingredients, so make sure you balance it out. And then I put the tiniest pinch of salt just to kind of round it out. So I'm going to start on the custard and mix up the eggs, and then that cereal milk I'm going to pour it in, and that's just going to add another element of that Fruity Pebble flavor to the custard. So I'm going to finish adding the rest of my ingredients, but while I do that, use this opportunity to click that subscribe button. It's okay, I'm just mixing. You can go ahead, I won't mind. But thank you guys so much to those who already have subscribed. I thank you guys so much for the support, and shout out to my fellow creators. So I am going to take a little bit of that strawberry glaze and just kind of drizzle it into the Ziploc like you see I'm doing, just all over the place. And then we're going to scoop some of that filling into the bag, and this is what I'm going to use as a piping bag. So you don't need anything fancy, y'all. Just clip the tip and then just go ahead and pipe it into your bread, and it is that simple, you guys. Super good. And then the colors are beautiful. And so I'm going to dip it into that custard mix, roll it in the Fruity Pebbles, and then onto some butter that I have on a griddle. And it is that simple, you guys. And don't do it on a high heat. You want to do a slow cook on this just to get a good crust on it, but you don't want to burn up your cereal, y'all. So don't be impatient. So once you do about a minute or two, go ahead and flip them, and then there you go. Look at that, you guys. It is super fun. I know your kids will enjoy it, but the kid in you, I mean, this is so amazing. It is so good and pillowy and decadent, y'all. And this is one of those once a year type dishes where you want to treat yourself. You know, I'm on vacation, why not just have it, y'all? It's not New Year's first, but hold on, look at that. Go on and take that bite, baby. So good, y'all guys. Oh, so good. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my new video. Bye, y'all.